Marinate the chicken with the mentioned chicken spices, lemon juice, garlic paste, ginger paste, powdered spices, fried onions, and satiny cilantro and mint, and oil. Refrigerate for 1 hour to enhance flavors. Boil water for the rice with the rice spices mentioned until it simmers. Add the rice and cook halfway. Add salt and yogurt to the marinated chicken and massage. Add a ladle of rice water and mix. Then add cilantro, mint, and fried onions to the chicken. Drain the partially cooked rice and layer it over the chicken mixture. Sprinkle with cumin, saffron-infused milk mixture, fried onions, and fresh cilantro and mint. Cook over low heat for 1 hour. Serve hot garnished with fresh cilantro and mint leaves and fried onions. Enjoy.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.